ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ አንድ በ12ኛ ሀገር አቀፍ ፈተና ላይ የመጣ ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። ፔጁን ፎሎ፣ ላይክ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ እንድታደርጉ እያሳሰብኩኝ ወደ ጥያቄው እሄዳለሁ። ኢፍ ዜድ ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 1 ፕላስ አይ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 10 ዘን ዊች ኦፍ ዘ ፎሎዊንግ ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ ዜድ? ኤ 1 ፕላስ 32 አይ፣ ቢ 32 አይ፣ ሲ 10 አይ፣ ዲ 1 ፕላስ 10 አይ። Let's proceed the solution of the given equation. Given z is equal to 1 plus I the power of 10, then we want to find the values of z. Let first w is equal to 1 plus I. Let us refer w what the base of z, that means 1 plus I, and then find the modulus of w, that means r, which is equal to the modulus of w, which is equal to the modulus of 1 plus I, which is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to the square root of 2. Then the argument of w, which is theta, where theta is an arc of tan of 1 over 1, which is equal to arc of 1 over 1 means it is 1. Then arc of 1, which is equal to pi over 4, because w lays on the first quadrant. Then the polar form of w, which can be expressed as r into cosine of theta plus I times sine of theta, where r is the square root of 2 and theta is pi over 4. So w, which is equal to the square root of 2 times cosine of pi over 4 plus I times sine of pi over 4. Then the next step, evaluate z is equal to w the power of 10 by what? By de Moivre's law. So z is equal to the square root of 2 the whole 10 times cosine of pi over 4 plus I times pi over 4 the power of 10. So by de Moivre's law, we have z is equal to the power of 1 over 2 the power of 10 into 10 times pi over 4 is cosine of 10 pi over 4 plus I times sine 10 pi over 4. By 2 1, by 2 5, so z is equal to the power of 5 into cosine of 10 by 2 it is 5, 4 by 2 it is 2, cosine of pi over 5 pi over 2 plus I times 5 pi over 2. So z is equal to the power of 5 it is 32 into cosine of pi over 2 plus I times sine pi over 2, because 5 pi over 2 expressed as 2 pi plus pi over 2, or 5 pi over 2 and pi over 2 are coterminal angles. They have the same trigonometric value. So z is equal to cos of pi over 2 it is 0 plus I times sine pi over 2 it is 1. So z is equal to 32 into 0 plus I times 1, which is equal to 32i. Therefore, the values of z, or the standard form of z, which is equal to 32i.